Well, I got the cabinets all painted and the hinges and everything all redone and hooked up and taken care of. And we stood back and looked at it, and I said, it doesn't look right. It doesn't look good. So we went to Menards and we bought a new cabinet today. It's only 54 inches long, which makes it stop about here. This is 70 inches. So we're going to lose a little storage space, but I think it's going to be a lot nicer cabinet. And now I have to tear this one out, which is kind of a shame because I spent so much time getting it all working again. Well, trying to make it look nice. That was the problem. I wanted it to look good. And when you look at the cabinet doors don't fit well. When it was all wood, the line didn't show. But now that it's white, that black line sticks out like a sore thumb. The doors just don't sit well. They don't fit right. Sad that I spent so much time getting here just to find out that it doesn't work. But better now than later when I've got everything all finished. So I'm going to cut this up and get it out of the building. And then we'll patch up the walls behind it because I'm sure I'm going to have to. And then we'll get that painted and hang the new cabinet. So the bathroom continues. Well, we went to Menards and got a quality one woodwork laundry cabinet, 54 inches by 24 inches by 12. This is going to be the answer to all my problems. All I have to do is install it and life will be good. Well, at least I think so. This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union, without the express written permission of the parents or legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.